everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you haven't been here before, nice to meet ya. I'm Aga Tompkins. I brought you all here today because of this baby. Look at these colors. Seriously, I am obsessed. I already like NYX anyway. As far as the brand goes, it is super affordable and quality. So here's a video of me doing this look. I hope you guys enjoy. I am so excited to share more looks with you guys, but this one I'm quite obsessed with. The first color that I will be using is this right here, number 10. It's like a mauve-y green. I can't explain it, but it's almost like a gray green or something, like an ashy light green. It's gorgeous. Now I'm going in with number 29. This color is also kind of it's like a dark green, like almost like a green black. It's not quite black and it's not green, but it's like a super dark green on the border of black. Muted colors, almost all of them are colors that I feel like not a lot of people make in palettes. They're almost like a mood for a home, decorate my house, which I'm not sad about. I don't know, I feel like NYX is one of those brands that is affordable yet incredible. Now I'm gonna use this number 11, which is a shimmery glitter that matches the green. It's like a golden green. You can't really tell, but it's beautiful. And these glitters go on really nicely. Oh yeah. These are beautiful. All right, you guys gotta tell the world. Seriously, they're killing it. I don't have any other shadows these tones at all. This fulfills my mood on so many levels. Number 3 right here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's freaking glowing. See the difference? Come to mama. Girl, I needed this. I feel like there's so many options. I can't even contain my excitement. These colors are everything. Look at how beautiful they are. Yeah. Now I'm using that same lighter green on the bottom. God, this color is like a serious mood. A little goth. Kinda, cause like, if goth people had to pick a color, if they had to pick a color, it would obviously be dark and moody. This green situation would be the color somebody goth would be like, fine, I'll settle for this amazing greenness. And then they'd know they weren't settling because it's absolutely perfect. Now I'm gonna bring in the darker color right in the corner. Right there, and right there. I don't know if some of you guys realize, which I imagine by now you do if you've been watching my channel, I have tattooed eyeliner. So the reason why you see wings drawn on me a lot is because I love wings and I have them even tattooed on me. I'll probably do some looks down the line where I, you know, cover my wings and do a look that doesn't have wings, but I'm a little addicted to wings. So that, in case you guys were wondering why there's always something there, it's tattooed. Yes, I got tattoos on my face. Then I'm gonna do that color again on the bottom center. Right there. And right there. And I'm actually going to bring it into the corners as well. These 3 colors complement each other so well. I just love them. Yeah, I'm feeling it. All right, I'm gonna do my liner, lashes, and so on, and then I will be right back. So I put on the lashes and liner and mascara and brows and drew in my heart, did some lips. Now I'm going to use, this is actually one of my favorite NYX products, which it's funny because I think it might be discontinued, but I loved it because this color is perfect for me because I don't like being warm at all. And so that was the only cool color that worked for me. And I feel like it's like a perfect contour color because it matches my tone. And then the highlighter is so subtle but sparkly. It adds just the right amount of shimmer. I'll put a little bit of this on my inner corner as well. Boom. So there you have it. I absolutely love these shadows. I cannot wait to use the rest of these colors. We're gonna have so much fun with this, you guys. Just wait and see. You'll see all the things I make. Growing up as an artist, I always loved colors and palettes, and like, think about it. Watercolors come in a thing like this, you know, and I would love all my art supplies, and as a grown-up, I still feel the same way. This excites me, and the colors they picked are just so rad. They're not your usual tones. They're like dull, but in a good way, and I love them, and I'm gonna make so many pretty things from them. I love you. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I really appreciate everyone that continues to come over to my place and watch me get ready because, I don't know, it's quarantine and I'm alone, and doing this is fun, right? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely check out this palette. It's awesome. So much yes.